In this video, I'm going to show how to import references from OT search into RefWorks. I'm going to do a search that's been used in some of the OT classes. I'm going to do constraint-induced movement therapy and strokes. I'm going to do that search. And I'm just using this as an example, so I don't actually care what my results are. I just want to mark a few. Okay, so you go through your list, and after you've done marking, I want to go to Email Save. You see I marked 4 things. I want to change my view of the records to full. I want to leave the output type as formatted. The other option is flat ASCII, but that's the wrong format. And the sort doesn't really matter because RefWorks will sort it however it will. So I can either view or save the results. We're going to get the same screen. So I click Save. And now 2 things are going to happen. The results are going to show up on the screen here. You can go back if you want to get back to that previous results page. But more importantly, you get this second window. You notice that it's a text file. So if I right-click and save as, and save it to my desktop as 6.txt. If you look in a text editor, you see there it is. It looks pretty good. This is a formatted thing. So every author is labeled, ISNs are labeled, article titles are labeled, abstracts are labeled, etc. Now I want to go into RefWorks, and I'm already logged in, and import that reference. So I go to References, Import. Now, I need to know what my data source is. And if I look at my system here, I will be able to find out that this is a CIRCE Dynex library catalog. So we're going to use CIRCE library software as our filter. And you just have to go down and select it from a list. Once you select your data source, you then have to choose your database. Now this is a library catalog software, so you see there's lots of libraries here, but right here is our OT. AOTA, in case you weren't aware of it, is the name of the American Occupational Therapy Association. So my filter, my database. I now have to get my file. And remember, it was saved as 6.txt. I can optionally put it in a folder, either a new one or an existing one. I'm not going to bother with that at the moment. Import. I marked 4 things, so I have 4 references imported. If you view your last imported folder, and I'm in full view, let's go to standard view. Makes it a little shorter. You can see here are the items that I marked in my database.